So I have a question. Since I've played a Boogie Bass audio rip into the Boogie Bass speaker, what happens if you play a Douglas Fir audio rip into Douglas Fir? So plug him into that Douglas. And by the way, when you plug your aux cord into Douglas Fir, it's supposed to stop singing and talking. I kind of messed mine up. Because if you listen, you can still kind of hear it in the bass. So yeah, that's not really the best, but oh well, let's see how it sounds. Pine needles everywhere. Gotta get this cleaned up. See if I can get the mouth to work. The audio quality is bad. And here's the original for reference.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bell, jingle
This is the
bell,
original
jingle
quality.
all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Happy New Year!
So yeah, that's what it sounds like when played through a Douglas Fir audio rip into a Douglas Fir.